Former President Donald Trump has been criminally indicted again. This time, a state prosecutor in Georgia brought those charges against the former president. It is the fourth set of criminal charges he faces. NBC's Blaine Alexander is following this case for us.
Overnight, a sweeping indictment in Georgia, 19 defendants, and a process that could play out very publicly as the former president of the United States is charged with being part of a criminal enterprise.
The indictment brings felony charges against Donald John Trump.
In a late-night news conference, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis announced she is charging 19 people with trying to overturn the 2020 presidential election in Georgia, an effort she says was led by Mr. Trump. The former president is facing 13 felony counts, including multiple conspiracy charges.
The defendants engaged in a criminal racketeering enterprise.
And Willis has charged all of the defendants with violating Georgia's RICO Act, a statute first designed to prosecute organized crime. The DA alleges a series of acts designed to further the criminal enterprise, including a fake elector scheme, breach of voting machines, and Mr. Trump's 2021 phone call, pressuring Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger to overturn President Biden's victory in Georgia.
I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have, because we won the state.
This is the fourth indictment Mr. Trump is facing, but the case could play out very differently. Georgia law will likely allow the trial to be televised, and authorities have said there could be a mugshot of the former president. And because these are state charges, the former president, if convicted, could not pardon himself, even if he won re-election in 2024, because that power only extends to federal crimes. This morning, Mr. Trump's legal team is slamming the indictment, writing in part, this one-sided grand jury presentation relied on witnesses who harbor their own personal and political interests. But the grand jury reached its conclusion after hearing testimony from multiple Republican witnesses, including supporters of former President Trump, like Senator Lindsey Graham. Another witness, former Georgia Lieutenant Governor Jeff Duncan, speaking out at the courthouse after his testimony.
My hope is that Americans believe us. My hope is that Republicans believe us, that this election was fair and legal,